Assalamu alaikum students of class 8. We are doing unit number 1 operations on sets. This is session number 6. First we see what we have learnt in previous session. We have learnt what is Venn diagram, how we draw it, and we learnt shading Venn diagrams with two sets. And here is one thing. Sometimes it's much convenient to see Venn diagrams in other aspects like A complement intersection B complement is complicated to draw. But if we see it in another way, like A union B whole complement, then it's very easy. As we know that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So it's up to you. If you are given to shade the area A complement intersection B complement, then you can solve it as A union B whole complement. Today's topic, Venn diagram with three sets. See the first one. Its set notation is A intersection B. It means that now we are asked to take the common part of A and B, where A and B shared. This is the shared part of A and B, common part of A and B. And here C is the set which we are not discussing. So ignore it. Share this area. This is A intersection B. The next is A intersection B intersection C. It means that you're going to take the common area of these three sets. So you can observe A and B overlapped here. This is A intersection B, and but you can observe that this whole segment is not in C. So where these three sets have the common part, this is the part, this segment where I draw the star. This is the common part of these three sets where three sets overlap each other. The next one, A union B union C. It's very easy. As you know that union means everything. So everything in A, everything in B, everything in C. So share these three sets. Next set notation is A union bracket B intersection C. So it's complicated to draw. So divide this diagram in two sections so that we can understand it very easily. First, we sketch the diagram for set A. So here, draw the lines on this set or draw shade on this. This is A. The next section is B intersection C. It means that you're going to take the common area of B and C, and you can observe this area where I write 1 and 2. This area is common in B and C. Now we take union. Union means everything. It's wrong. Shared area not everything. Everything in the first diagram and the second diagram. So shade this above whole set A and this segment. This is A union B intersection C. Okay, the next set notation is A union B intersection A union C. So we again divide this sketch in two parts so we can understand it very easily. First A union B, the next part for A union C. Okay. In first sketch, we take everything in A and B. So this is A union B. In the next sketch, we take everything in A and C. So this is A union C. If, if you overlapped these two diagrams, these two sketches, A union B and A union C, then you can observe that A is common in both because we are going to take intersection where they shared the area. A is common in both diagrams, and this segment where I write 4. So this segment is common in both. So this is A union B intersection A union C. Next, notice here students, in previous two slides, A union B intersection C, the result of this is equal to the result of A union B intersection A union C. And you know that this is distributive law of union over intersection. You can observe here. The next set notation is A intersection B union C. And this is the Venn diagram where three sets are like this. As you can observe, A is subset of B. A is contained in B. So A is the part of B. So if we take A intersection B, so it is equal to A. This is the bracket part. The next union C, it means that we are going to take everything of this bracket part with C. So this is A intersection B union C. The next, A union B intersection C. Again, observe this diagram. These three sets are like this. First, we solve the bracket part. A union B means everything in A and everything in B. So highlight this area. Next, we take the intersection of this bracket part with C, means common part, and you can observe this segment. This segment is overlapped with C, so this is the common part. Next, set notation, A intersection B union C, and the sets are like that. First, we solve the bracket part. A intersection B means that common area of A and B. As you can observe, B is subset of A. So if we take its intersection, this is equal to B. So B is the common part of A and B. If we take union of this common part with C, it means that everything in C and everything of this common part, A intersection B, that is B. So I hope students now you can solve exercise 1.3 question number 3 and 4 by yourself. See you, Amanal.